I'm one of the presenters for today, and my topic is sectors of the economy and the related industries. So what will be discussed? First, the economic sectors. Second, meaning and examples of economic sectors. Third, agriculture and fishing. Fourth, industry sector. And last, the service sector. Economic sectors. So, economic sectors commonly categorized based on the production process. First is primary sector. It is the extraction of raw materials, mining, fishing, and agriculture. The secondary sector. It is concerned with producing finished goods. So, dito parang kung saan nagmula yung product mo, dito na nila pinrocess, inayos, and parang ready na siyang ibenta. So, next is tertiary sector, concerned with offering intangible goods and services to consumers. This includes retail, tourism, banking, entertainment, and IT services. So, dito sa tertiary sector, parang halimbawa, natapos na manufacture yung product mo. Pwede mo na siyang ibenta. Now, in tertiary sector, bago mo siya mabenta, you offer services. So, for more information later, i-discuss natin yan. Quaternary sector. Knowledge economy, education, research, and development. So, kapag nabenta mo na yung product mo, anong mangyayari? Is it good or bad? Positive feedbacks or no? So, etong slide na to is parang lang siya. Konting silip lang sa topic natin for today. So, next is, this is the real topic, and this is the main topic. Primary sector. So, the primary sector of the economy includes any industry involved in the extraction and production of raw materials. Examples, in farming, the cow's milk. So, di ba, ang isang produkto, laging may pinagmumulan yan, may pinagkukunan. So, sa economics, meron tayong tawag dyan, which is the primary sector. Dito, nauuna or dito, kumukuha pa lang tayo ng product. Kasi parang step by step. Kukuha ka ng product, magmamanufacture ka, and so on. So, next is secondary sector. The secondary sector distributes and finished goods. Example, cow's milk, 2 bottles cow's milk. So, yun nga, 'di ba? Nakuha mo na yung gatas ng cow. Next is, ima-manufacture mo na siya. Na kung saan, gagawin mo na siya, aayusin na siya, ilalagay mo ito bottle, or kung anong tatak or brand ng milk, pwedeng Magnolia, ganon. Or cow's head. Next is the tertiary sectors. The service sector is concerned with the intangible aspect of offering services to consumers and business. It involves retail or manufactured goods. It also provides services such as insurance and banking. So, dito sa tertiary sectors, based from the sector na sinabi, service, from the word itself, service, the sector offers services. So, example, cow's milk, 2 bottles cow's milk to distributed in malls. So, paano naging services ang pag-distribute sa malls? Siyempre, you offer service for them. Nasa yung product, then, transportation. I-ship mo siya sa iba't ibang mall. Halimbawa, yung SM, meron silang product mo para mabenta. Yung Robinson or yung mga sari-sari store. Then, they offer services. Parang kapag sa sari-sari store ka, parang, uy, maganda to, bili ka na. Inaalok mo sila or hinihikayat mo sila bumili ng produkto mo. Next is quaternary sectors. The quaternary sector is said to be the intellectual aspect of the economy. It includes education, training, the development of technology and research and development. It is the process which enables entrepreneurs to innovate better in manufacturing processes and improve the quality of services offered in the economy. examples. So, from our example, nakuha mo na yung milk ng cow. Then, na-manufacture mo na siya. After ma-manufacture yon, na-distribute mo na siya sa malls, nag-sale stock na sila, binenta na nila, they use media or platforms or yung mga parang, tawag dito? Commercials, advertisements, di ba? Then, after mabenta ng product mo, syempre, you'll receive a feedback, whether good or bad. So, kapag ito ay negative feedback, hindi to masama. Alam mo bakit? Kasi dito, pwede mong ma-improve yung product mo into a better version. Like example, bumili ako ng cowhead and I don't like the packaging of it. Parang masyadong over, ganon. Or kaya, yung lasa niya parang, ano ba to? Parang maasim. Diba that's a feedback? Then once na nasa yun na yun, nakuha mo ng mga feedbacks ng tao, pwede mong improve yung quality ng product mo. And nakalagay rin dito, feedback and rate. So what's the meaning of rate? So the rate is parang, within a month, ilang percentage ang nabenta or ilang percentage ng nabenta ng product mo. Umabot ba to ng 50? Or mahina, matumal yung benta ng product mo, hindi maganda, kasi nga 'di ba negative feedbacks, or mataas ang rate ng product mo kasi nagustuhan nila to. That's only two choices. It's whether good or bad, nagustuhan nila or hindi. So that is quaternary sector. So now let's focus on the next slide. Figure 7.1 shows the average contributions to GDP of the three main economic sectors in the Philippines based on PSA, National Income Data of August 2016. The GDP contributions by sector or region values are based on average semi-annual contributions from 2014 to first half of 2016. So kung makikita nyo, mas malaki yung percentage ng services or what we call tertiary sector compared to the secondary and primary sector. Kasi dito sa tertiary sector, dito ka na nag-50-50 eh. Kung gaano kaganda yung services na i-offer mo sa business mo and sa consumers mo. So, dapat dito maayos ka. Kaya, tingnan nyo siya. Siya yung may pinakamalaking percentage sa isang pie. Kasi dito talaga nagbe-base. Kasi alam nyo bakit? If ikaw mag-offer ka ng services at hindi maganda, do you think ang product mo mabebenta? Of course not. So when you have a product and when you offer a service, of course, you should be good with it and respectful seller. Walang bibili sa'yo kung ikaw mismo ay hindi marunong or walang alam sa produkto mo. Okay? Next, agriculture and fishing. The primary sector in the Philippines includes two main industries, agriculture, hunting, and forestry. And next is the fishing. The agriculture, hunting, and forestry sectors covers farming of rice, vegetables, and other crops, the cultivation of land resources, livestock, poultry, and the other agriculture-related activities. So dito sa agriculture and fishing is under or belong siya sa primary sector. Bakit? For example, ikaw mismo, bigas ang produkto mo. Saan belong ang bigas? Agriculture. Kasi kumukuha ka ng product mo sa resources natin. And the primary sector is the extraction of raw materials. So, dun nagsisimula lahat ng produkto sa primary sector umiikot. So, without the primary sector, you can proceed to secondary sector. Kasi, paano ka magpa-proceed sa secondary sector kung wala kang produkto? Paano mo ma-manufacture yun? Okay? So, agriculture and fishing belong sa primary sector because dito tayo kumukuha ng ating produkto. Next is industrial sector. The industrial sector of the economy is the one that produces finished products which can be utilized for the construction and manufacturing industry. The secondary sector can also be referred as industry sector. The industry sector includes four main industries, namely mining and quarrying industries, manufacturing industry, construction industry, and electricity, gas, and water supply industry. So dito sa industrial sector, it can also be called as secondary sector. Kasi dito, inaayos mo na yung produkto mo, inaayos mo na yung packaging, na na-manufactured mo na siya, you use tools, halimbawa, based on our example kanina, yung cow's milk, pag kumuha ka, di ba nakalagay lang yan? Sabihin mo sa, ano bang pwede? Yung anong tawag dun? Pitchel. Dun na nilagay. Do you think you can sell your cow's milk using that pitchel? Do you think someone will buy? Wala. So, you proceed to secondary sector na kung saan dito mo pinaprocess yan. Chine-check mo muna yung milk, kung okay ba, kung kailan, parang estimated expiry date niyan. Then, lalagay mo siya sa packaging or pwede siya sa Tetra Pak or bottle. And, now, let's proceed to the next. Okay, another figure again. GDP contributes of secondary sector industries. Values are based on average semi-annual contributions from 2014 to first half of 2018. First is mining and quarrying. 1% pala. 1% is mining and quarrying. 20% is manufacturing. 6% is construction. 3% electricity, gas, and water supply. So, dito makikita mo naman na mas malaki talaga yung porsyento ng pagmamanufacture kaysa sa iba. Sunod naman yung construction. So, when it comes to industry sector, we have two manufacturing. What we called it? The heavy and light manufacturing. So, the first one is heavy manufacturing. Includes textile manufactures and fabricated metal and steel products. Next is the light manufacturing that composed of relatively easier to transport products such as household food products and plastic food products. So, paano to? Anong ibig sabihin na to? So, sa economics, meron silang tinatawag sa mga bibigat na bagay and magagaan. Like for example, katulad nga, based on the meaning itself, heavy. Tapos yung meaning niya, metal and steel. Pansinin nyo na lang And then next is light. Plastic products, easier to transport. So, ibig sabihin, when we say heavy manufacturing, ito yung mga mabibigat na produkto and minsan pwedeng magka-problema sa transportation nito. Like example kasi mga bakal to. Or kaya sabi mo babasagin, glass. So, pwedeng mabasag to without, parang hindi iningatan masyado. Depends on the transportation. Kaya siya tinawag na heavy manufacturing kasi parang ito yung mabibigat na trabaho. When we say light manufacturing, syempre, kabaliktaran ng heavy manufacturing na kung saan mabilis lang tong i-transport. And plastic products lang kasi siya. So, parang mas easy, mas mabilis siyang mapadala. 'Di ba? So, from the word itself na lang heavy and light. Heavy manufacturing, mabibigat na bagay or mabibigat na trabaho. Light manufacturing, from the word itself light, easier to transport. And plastic products. So next is service sector. The service sector, the tertiary sector also refers to service sector. It is characterized by the marketing and selling of products from the primary and secondary sectors. We have 5 main industries. First is the transport, storage, and communication. Second is the trade, repair of motor vehicles and personal and household goods. Third is financial intermediation. Fourth is real estate, renting, and business activities. And last is the public administration, defense, and compulsory social security. So take note, all other industries that cannot be classified under the sixth category labeled as other services. So, di ba meron tayo 5 main industries? Kung yung mga industries na hindi nabanggit dyan sa 5, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, mapupunta sila or magiging under sila ng 6th category. So, parang extension siya. Extension. So, we can have 6, we can have 5. So, sa 6, dito, yung walang nabanggit sa 5 na yun, is mapupunta siya sa 6th category labeled as other services. Next, instead of production of goods, this sector provides services such as maintenance and repair services, training services, and consultation services. Examples: retail, banks, hotels, real estate, education, health, social work, and etc. So, dito sa service sector, from the word itself, you offer service to business. When it comes to, parang ano siya, human interaction. No, hindi siya parang, talagang, this sector offers human interaction. Next is, other services industries. So, ito yung, ibang industries na wala dun sa first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So, yan, education, health and social work, hotels and restaurants, and many more. And now, let's proceed to the basic terms and keywords para hindi kayo mahirapan. So, the primary sector, under niya is agriculture and fishing, raw materials or natural resources. Secondary sector, finished goods or products, or kilala rin bilang industry sector. Anong under ng industry sector? Heavy and light manufacturing. Next is the tertiary sector. Focus on human interactions, service. Other term for tertiary sector, service sector. Quaternary sector. Distribution of knowledge, extension of the classical tree sector. Distribution of knowledge, kapag feedbacks and rate, quaternary sector. Extension siya dahil ang talagang sector natin is primary, secondary, and tertiary. The quaternary is the extension of these three sector because it is just the distribution of knowledge. But talagang mayroong ganito. So, questions. What are the 4 economic sectors? What are the 2 manufacturing? And how many industries we have in service sector? Give at least 1. Is there any question you would like to ask about this report? So once again, thank you for listening to my report. Again, I'm one of the presenter for today, Marbet Ang, and our topic is sectors of the economy and related industries. Thank you and have a nice day.
Tell me what is your name?